Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be doing some early Halloween decorating. If you know me, it's never too early to get started on the holidays. I just enjoy them so much, especially the Burr months, that I always want to get a head start. I want my house completely decked out so I can fully enjoy the fall and spooky season. If you've watched my previous videos, you have seen that I have already decorated the majority of my house for fall, but I reserved this one room, our family room, for our fun, spooky Halloween decor. I have all of the traditional orange harvest pumpkin aesthetic in the majority of my house, the main living areas. This is kind of downstairs in our family room, and we are going to make it spooky. First, we are going to get started on something new and fun that I got this year from LIKEtoKNOW.it. I want to thank LIKEtoKNOW.it for sponsoring today's video. They sent me this amazing 8-foot animated skeleton that I am about to put together. Who knows where he'll end up, but right now he's going right there and we're about to unbox him. So he is gonna be a big boy. Now we're gonna have to tip him back and put his spine in. Together. He is so cool. Look at him. I am obsessed. I'm literally crying. He is so cool. I haven't even plugged him in and turned him on, so we're gonna check him out and see what he does. Okay, here we go, guys. Let me stand on this side. Okay, here we go, guys. Bruh. Is he not on? Come on, man.
I can't take all the credit for its trendy appeal. The maniacal banshee in the closet deserves some praise. As you can hear, we started the party without you.
All right, you guys, it is the next day and we are going to continue with our spooky season decorating. I've got all of my totes in here and I'm just going to take everything out and for the most part do the mantle pretty much the same way because I have all the same stuff and I just did it like that for the first time last year and I loved it. I've got my Pottery Barn Ghost. I just climbed down from the attic with this thing. Love that. I probably should have done the garland first. What am I thinking? But let's do that next. I did look at a few fireplace mantle banners this year, but I still love this one that says Happy Halloween. Sometimes I want to go with one without words, but I don't know. I just love this one. I think it's cute and fun. I have have multiple garlands and looks like some creepy cloth tangled up in there. I'm going to untangle these and intertwine them together. We've got a black one and we got this classic purple that I think is so pretty and would be pretty everywhere in my house. But this one is just all black and it's got some skulls in it. And I don't remember where I got this, maybe Home Goods? And we're missing a few skulls, but I'll stick them on later. I got my 2 black and white striped pumpkins. Okay, we've got some lights and they're all intertwined in creepy cloth. I think they just got stuck like that. Okay, I've got the fireplace decorated. It is a new day. Obviously, I can't get all this stuff done in one day. I have to do some trial and error and planning, and it does take a while. So today I'm going to be working on this credenza and a few other spaces in here, and hopefully I can get everything wrapped up and show you the completed look of our Halloween family room for 2025. It is a new day. Hopefully it's our final day decorating for Halloween down here. We have our 8-foot skeleton from HalloweenCostumes.com in the corner. I told the boys I was going to put him outside and they were like, no, he's like the Christmas tree of Halloween in the corner there, because that's where we usually put our Christmas tree. So I don't know, he might be here to stay. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also, I have my new Kirkland's light up ghostly painting hanging in here finally. I think it adds such a fun, spooky touch. I love how the candle flame just flickers, and it might be hard to see right now, but it is so spooky at night. I can't wait to show you. So make sure you stick around to see everything at night when all the lights are off, because that is when it really becomes magical and spooky. I didn't want to take my big canvas down, so we have that hanging from fishing line, so it just hovers over this existing painting. So right now I'm going to decorate this table right here underneath it. I'm using these vases, and I got these purpley stems from Amazon. I love a wax warmer, so I've got my cute little ghosty wax warmer from Walmart. I've got my spooky hand trapped under this cloche so he won't get loose. This is another fun find from LIKEtoKNOW.it. And then I like to add a little puck light to illuminate it a little bit. Mr. Cozy Bones here. I'm just going to sit him on this basket full of blankets for the time being. Since this whole room twinkles, I had to add a little extra twinkle in my potted plants back here.
Watch out for my spider collection. I let them out for a little exercise.
Wrapping up this Halloween decorating session. I hope you guys have been enjoying the video so far. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Tell me, are you more of a cute pumpkins and cozy vibes Halloween person, or do you go all out with the spooky and scary? I love that I can just walk into the rest of my house and it's still that cozy orange autumnal feeling. After I decorate this coffee table, I'm going to give a little tour of the entire room with the lights on and the lights off, so make sure you stick around. Also, don't forget to check out HalloweenCostumes.com down below in the description box. I will have a link that you can click that will take you directly to the skeleton and get you 15% off your order. Think Halloween costumes for the whole family, animatronics, inflatables, and every spooky decoration you can think of, they've got it, so make sure you check them out. But before you disappear into the night, here is my completed Halloween look.